what you're given, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talking like they politicians.
Television actress Ntando Duma's 26th birthday is coming up in a few days, and she has decided to fly out to Cape Town to kick off her celebrations. She's been celebrating with her friend Zuki and decided to drop a couple of videos twerking which have gone viral on Twitter. Kanya Dlanga was also spotted in Cape Town celebrating with the duo. Let's not forget that a couple of weeks ago, Ntando was a guest on Lasiyo's controversial show, Drink or Tell the Truth. She opened up about a lot of things, including her acting careers, relationships, broken friendships, and a whole lot more. She opened up about some of her most uncomfortable moments on television. She said, "My worst scene will always be kissing a man on the show. It's very uncomfortable kissing someone that you don't know on the show that you don't have an actual relationship with. So all the scenes I have done with Shumasha were very uncomfortable. But he's such a nice guy. He's such a great actor. He made it very easy for me. Genuinely, I hate those scenes." She also said one of the scenes she didn't enjoy was kissing Pila Mazibuko on Rhythm City. To kiss someone you don't know for the first time, you don't know where they come from, for what, it was the worst. She also addressed the viral sex tape from 2020 of a woman whom many thought was the actress. She said, "Oh no man, no, it's not true, that wasn't me. Also, my sex tape would be fire, hey? Put some respect on my name, and I'm sorry they had to leak that sex tape. Also, I don't do sex tapes." That's what she said. And on the other side, Ntando Duma recently got dragged on social media for the outfit she wore at Shona Ferguson's funeral. Some tips thought that her dress code was inappropriate for the occasion. She had worked with the Fergusons on the Queen Mzansi before his character got killed off. She starred as Mpho Sebata, daughter of the one and only known Rapulane Seiphemo, who was Hector Sebata on the show. Okay guys, that's it for now. Please do make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more of my content uploads.